What is up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen Meal Prep Monday. My name is Sahil and this is the series where I give you a keto diet meal plan for free. Now folks, I've already done 6 meal plan videos. You can click here on the I button and watch them. And today is the 7th one, and I was thinking that next weekend I'll do the 8th one and then give this series of videos a break. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have enough meal plans now? Have you figured out how to make your own? Or would you like me to keep making these videos every Saturday so that you have a new meal plan? Leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll take a decision next week. So today, my friends, I'm going to be giving you a 1500 calorie Indian keto meal plan. Yup, this is just like how us regular Indians eat. So the food is going to be all Indian, and trust me, it's going to be delicious. Now, in anticipation of the comments that I am going to get asking me for a vegetarian meal plan, because today's meal plan includes meat, I am going to give you both in this video. A meal plan with meat and without meat. So, put on your seatbelts and get ready for the ride of your life. Well, actually no, get ready for a keto meal plan. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get started. So, what's on the menu today? We're going to start with breakfast, and you're going to be making and eating my keto dosa with coconut chutney. You're going to have one dosa with one serving of chutney, and this is about 300 calories, 4 grams of net carbs, 27 grams of fat and 8 grams of protein. So whether you eat meat or not, you're going to have a vegetarian breakfast to start the day. Now on to lunch, and you're going to be having a typical Indian lunch of roti, sabzi and some meat. So you're going to be making and eating my keto tortilla, which doubles up as a roti, my masala bhindi or okra stir fry, and a delicious Kerala beef fry. And this entire meal clocks in at about 680 calories with 7 grams of net carbs, 52 grams of fat and 42 grams of protein. And of course, for my vegetarian friends, you will definitely not be eating that Kerala beef fry, but you can definitely eat the keto roti, you can eat the masala bhindi, and instead of the beef fry, you're going to be making and eating my lovely paneer makhan wala. And your entire meal will clock in at about 611 calories with 8 grams of net carbs, about 54 grams of fat and about 14 grams of protein. Now at 600 plus calories, that is a pretty filling lunch, which is why I'm not going to be giving you any snacks on this meal plan. But what you can do is, if you find the lunch to be too filling, don't eat all of it, eat half of it, and then half of it you can eat as a snack later. Just a little tip. Now on to dinner. You're going to be making and eating my Kerala lamb stew, and you're going to eat it with some cauliflower rice that you're going to cook in about 1 tablespoon of butter. And that's it. Pretty simple stew and rice for dinner. And this entire meal is going to clock in at about 570 calories with about 10 grams of net carbs, 41 grams of fat and 36 grams of protein. So my vegetarian friends, you're going to be replacing the mutton stew with my palak paneer, and you're going to eat the palak paneer along with cauliflower rice cooked in 1 tablespoon of butter. And your meal is going to clock in at about 630 calories with 13 grams of net carbs, 53 grams of fat and 21 grams of protein. And that's your 1500 calorie Indian keto meal plan. So if you're a meat eater, you're going to be having my keto dosa with coconut chutney for breakfast. Your lunch is going to be my keto roti along with my bhindi masala and some delicious Kerala beef fry. And for dinner, you're going to be having my Kerala lamb stew along with some cauliflower rice. This is a full, complete, delicious Indian meal. And this entire meal plan clocks in at about 1550 calories with 21 grams of net carbs, 120 grams of fat and 86 grams of protein. And those are perfect keto ratios. About 6% from carbs, 70% from fats and 23% I think from proteins. Perfect keto meal plan. And my vegetarian friends, you will be having my keto dosa and chutney as well for breakfast. For lunch you will have the keto roti along with bhindi masala and my paneer makhanwala, and for dinner you will have palak paneer along with my cauliflower rice. And this vegetarian meal plan clocks in at about 1540 calories with 25 grams of net carbs, about 134 grams of fat and about 44 grams of protein. So those are still pretty good keto macros with 7% of the calories from carbs, 80% from fats and about 12% from protein. So folks, those are the meal plans. You can go to headbangerskitchen.com and get all the information from there. And of course, before I let you go, I've got some tips and tricks and some handy information to share. So for starters, I can already see people freaking out about the protein on the vegetarian plan. That's not enough protein. But my friends, I've said this before and I'll say it again. If you are going up or down by a few grams, it's not really a big deal. Unless you are going to the gym and doing some serious weight training, your body will be just fine with the amount of protein on the vegetarian plan. However, if you are going to the gym and you are doing some serious lifting, and when I talk about serious lifting, I'm talking about bodybuilding level of lifting, then perhaps you can add a protein shake to your vegetarian meal plan to get you sufficient protein for that purpose. Otherwise, you'll be just fine. Also, you can probably eat eggs as well. I know a lot of Indian vegetarians are very finicky about eggs, and I'm not going to get into that discussion again, but you can definitely add some eggs to this. And if you're going to get sick of eating paneer at every meal, you can definitely replace one of the paneer dishes with egg instead. So that should definitely sort out the vegetarians. And finally, if you don't eat beef or you don't eat mutton or lamb or you can't find it where you live, you can always use chicken in any of the meat recipes instead. No problem. Anyway, I'll write all this and I'll put all my thoughts down on headbangerskitchen.com. I'll leave the link to the blog post below the video in the description box. So click on it and go and read my thoughts on it. Anyway, enough jibber jabber from me. I hope you liked the video. Do give it the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen and I will see you on the next and possibly last episode of Meal Prep Monday. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Cheers and keep ketoing. Hey guys, a fun fact about me. I am also a musician and I have released 3 solo albums in my career. This here is a t-shirt of my latest solo album. I'll leave a link in the video description box where you can purchase one. It's just $12 with $5 shipping anywhere in the world. Also, some of my music you can click here and listen to. Or if heavy metal is not your cup of tea, just click here and watch another Headbanger's Kitchen recipe video. Anyway, cheers.